Good afternoon, my customers. Please, I just want to inform you that from Monday there will be an increase in price of stone coated roofing sheets with 50 naira. I always carry you guys along as the prices changes upward or downward. Although of recent lately it has been more of up than down. But from Monday next week, the price of stone coated roofing sheets will increase with 50 naira. So don't say I didn't tell you, because so long as you're watching this video, I've told you. Hmm? But if you can make your order from now, today is Thursday, tomorrow Friday, next tomorrow Saturday, Sunday, cool, old price. But from Monday, there will be an increase of 50 naira on all Dutch Rich stone coated roofing sheets prices. I remember humble self, Mr. Donald of Dutchrich Nigeria Limited, dealers of quality stone coated roofing sheet. The number is 0706276423. Dutchrich Nigeria Limited, your roof remains our priority. Malinga Sud.